To buy Risky's Power, follow this step by step. At this point, you already need to know how to at least put a balance on an exchange and withdraw it to your wallet. The easiest way is to deposit money in Huobi, Biased or HT and then buy TT. Then just withdraw it to your official TT wallet. Already in the wallet, you need to enter the site of the DICE series and then execute the purchase of Power. Confirm the operation and wait a few seconds. Note that this will change your available balance. Now just click on Stake. Confirm the transaction again. Ready now. Just collect your TT Risky coins whenever you want and watch your balance go up. To convert your TT Risky balance into TT, you need to click on Harvest, then on Swap to TT, and that's it. To take all your invested balance, you need to click on Unstake, then on Release Power, finally swap to TT. All operations will ask for confirmation. Any questions, leave them in the comments, and always remember, let's go up.